knew we should have taken Park. Are you sure this is the fastest way to Grand Central Station?
I don't know. That's what Melman said.
Hey, you guys! That room has some nifty little sinks you can wash up in, and look! Free mints!
This isn't a field trip, Melman. This is an urgent mission to save Marty from throwing his life away. Now, where's the train?
Ah, here it comes.
What did Marty say to you? I asked you to talk to him.
I did! I don't understand. He said, let's go. Then I said, what are you, crazy? Then he says, I'm 10 years old. And then he has black and white stripes. And so then we said...